Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a all-natural Cork yoga mat. I don't know if I know what a Cork yoga mat is, but we're gonna give this thing a go and see what it looks like here. It was packed with some smelly stuff, so it has a smell to it. Lavender, I think. But it comes with a little, oops, something dropped. Not sure what it is. It comes with a little handle for it. So if you've used the yoga mat handles, it's like right there. So you've got that. Not sure what this is. This just fell out. But let's see how this looks. Boy, that's pretty cool looking. It looks like cork, but it also has rubber on the other side. I guess it just has cork on the outside of it. And it's by GAYO. So let's see. It's got 5mm thick, high density rubber for the cushion, and it's sustainable cork, so non-toxic, non-slip, and it lays flat and doesn't bunch up. So let's check this thing out. I'll try to cut it here without cutting the mat. I have the non-sharpest knife ever. Okay. So this is the information for it. But then this is the mat. So this is what it looks like here. It's got the little logo on it, and it looks really cool. It's like cork looking. If I go to do yoga, I'm going to be the coolest looking one there because I have this mat. Wow, it's tall. I am almost 6 feet. It's a 6 foot. I guess it's a 6 foot long mat because I'm almost 6 feet tall, and that's what this is. So this is it here. I'm going to lay it on the floor. Let me move some stuff over. And I will lay it down here so you can see what it looks like on the ground. It does lay flat, so let's see. So here we go. So there it is on the ground, and it's nice. Feels like a good rubber solid mat. It's a good mat. So I can do my exercise on here, and it's definitely non-slip. It's got the cork, but it's like a soft cork. It's like a rubbery. It's not super thick there, so it's going to be good. I don't think it's going to necessarily absorb sweat. I'm sure you can just clean it off like you clean a regular mat with some, I use vinegar water or whatever. But yeah, so it's really nice. And then you can just roll it back up again and put it with that little strap. So really cool, and it's good. I mean, you can see how thick it is. It's a nice thick mat. Time for me to do some yoga. I missed it this morning. There was a yoga class this morning. I missed it. But that's what it looks like all rolled up. So you can see the end of it here. So nice, thick, heavy-duty mat. So I'm going to say this is a really nice mat. Probably going to be my new go-to for whenever I go anywhere, especially since it has this already. My other ones, I don't have a strap for it. So that's what's nice to have to this. So then I can just carry it in. I have a bag for one of mine. The bags are just no good because they don't slide in when they're rubber. But there you go. There you go. Ready to go to yoga. So excellent. Thumbs up for sure.